Good morning. It's Wednesday. Good morning. How are you guys doing? My off day. So, good morning. Y'all, so.
Hit a wall. Right now, I need a miracle. Hurry up now, I need a miracle. Stranded, reaching out. I call your name, but you're not around. I say your name, but you're not around. I need ya, I need ya, I need you right now. Yeah, I need you right now. So don't let me, don't let me, don't let me.
It is act normal. How was it?
Exercise.
Climb on board.
Not know this next break.
Yes, because it's hard to wipe.
You gotta make your spine loose. That hurts. This hurts.
It's cold and raining. So he just walked in from school. Look, look at this. Pull your pants up before your hair gets hot.
Like the shoes, the pants, everything.
Now. Did you hear me?
We good. Okay.
What? Why? Why?
Stop playing with them.
Jordan. Why do we have two watches?
So I can tell the time twice. Make sure it's right.
I just don't understand.
Rick.
No, you're not.
Off-White. Frankie Mueller.
Jordan.
Tell
This
us
is
what
why
you-
you went.
Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna put them both on one wrist.
You're gonna put both watches on one wrist.
Yeah, so I can tell the time twice. Make sure it's right. So I can make sure it's right. Hold on.
This generation is thrown off.
Oh, wait. See, y'all just mad. Y'all can't tell time. Let alone twice.
You guys can't write in cursive nor
can write
read
cursive.
time if it's not digital.
I can write cursive. Don't do me. I can write cursive.
You can.
It's right.
Go get a piece of paper and write your name.
There you go. Stop.
Why-
Where we going?
You're being recorded.
Where we going?
Pray for him.
Okay.
Okay. Do they look ready, Jordan?
Yeah.
You can't determine if the cook. Like this generation, like it's useless. Useless. I can't.
Are you supposed to be that puffy? Okay.
I feel like they will settle. Oh, you just broke them. Is it broke? Oh no, you broke his headphones. Don't you have more than one? Stay prepared. Stay prepared. This is a cooling rack, Jordan. That's what you put the cookies on.
Wow.
Oh, because you said you didn't know. Yeah, you did. Oh, I just broke that one. Ooh, going too fast.
Baby born a Birkin. She's been telling me all night long. Gasoline and groceries. The list goes on and on. Just not
All crazy kid, ain't you?
Okay. Because you asking me for a remote and then telling me to
You
go.
plug it up and cut the TV on, so I don't know why it's not ready though.
But I could use my phone.
You ain't using it though. I know what it is, right here.
Oh, God. Just don't snore.
Oh, it's chilly out here today. It's cold out here in the south.
It's snowing up in Tallahassee. It's snowing at the beach.
Unacceptable.
Some people got all type of videos here.
Yes. Whoa.
All type of
Supposed to be like the biggest cold
in 50 years.
swirl ever on both coasts.
In 50 years.
They got them weather machines in the ocean. One place you ain't going to look for nothing.
Go and look at where.
It's down in the ocean or up in the sky.
Neither one of those need me. Now I'm getting a spot for a trip somewhere.
What the thing ain't? Why the thing ain't working? I gotta cut it on. You said you ain't had no power.
Kenny Davis.
What are you doing?
Grabbing my food. Why you always?
Life is good. I got my fiance, I got my brother, I got my dog Tom Brady, all under one roof. What could be better?
Okay, thanks. Bye-bye. Josh,
What's up?
do you have a second?
Yeah,
Let's talk in your office.
come on.
I got an interesting call.
Hi, vlog. How are we doing today?
I'm guessing you picked somebody's shift up.
5 to 8:30 p.m. The best shift of my life, only 3.5 hours. After closing last night, I deserved it. I deserved it.
Shift leader in no time.
Yeah. They keep asking, oh, April, when do you want to get cross-trained? When do you want to become a trainer? No. No.
Less than a month.
No, I have no desire to move up. I don't want any more responsibility. I don't want none of that. I want to make my little 1-2 at work and then go home. That's it. That's all. I'm buying a car. Say something about a license. Say, I'm buying a car. I'm getting there, but you know, I have the big picture, and then you have steps in between. So that's one of the steps.
The steps in between is to get the whole, you know.
Right, I'm doing that.
Okay.
I'm literally signing up for driving, like I would.
Right now.
Like right now.
Okay.
Right. May 10th.
Okay.
Yeah, I need some time.
Yeah.